Hello fellow ranchers, welcome back to another video. Today we're back once again at Hanley farm. Apologies if there's a little bit of a problem with the footage. It's simply because I'm still getting used to this new camcorder I've got. So let's see what interesting cars we'll see today.
Different, isn't it?
Oh yeah, definitely different.
It'll be the only one here today.
Oh yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
This is the owner of Lord and Butler and of this beautiful Citroen, and we'll be definitely on content.
Okay, whenever you're ready, I'll give you a little resume of the car.
Whenever you're ready.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I've owned the car since 1997. She's now 49 years old, so it'll be 50 years old next year. I'm the second owner. When I bought her, she'd done 19,000 miles from new, and she's now on just over 46,000 miles. It's a flat 4 boxer engine, air-cooled, 1220 cc's, delivers around about 65 brake horsepower. Which in those days was adequate, should we say. It's got a 4-speed gearbox. When this was designed, certain things hadn't particularly been invented, like 5-speed box, and also, although it looks like it's a hatchback, it's not a hatchback, because again, when this vehicle was first designed, the hatchback hadn't been invented as such. Although aerodynamically it was how can we say, one of the most aerodynamic cars on the road at that time. The car was launched in 1970, and for about, it was in production then till about 1982 in various formats, and in about 1979 they did introduce a version which had the hatchback. What else can we say about the car? It's just fantastic. Again, first car, or conventional car should we say, to have powered disc brakes all round. So it had disc brakes not only on the front but on the rear, and even today it's got fantastic stopping capability. It does make a noise though when all 4 wheels lock up. But other than that, it's tremendous, and it's a vehicle that I'm quite happy to go anywhere. The most I've ever done in a day in this car is I drove from Cardiff to virtually the Swiss border, which is over 600 miles. I left at 4 o'clock in the morning in Cardiff, and I was virtually at the Swiss border by 10:30 at night. Whoa. Yeah, so it's a car that I'm certainly not afraid of travelling in.
That's legendary, Pete.
I don't know if you want to have a look around it.
Oh yes, please, definitely.
Yeah. Okay, well, we've got boxer engine which is situated in the front here. That's the engine area there. Immediately behind it is gearbox. She has inboard discs, and on this particular vehicle the discs themselves are still the original, because they're inboard. They're designed to last up to about 90,000 miles, because again you don't get all the road debris getting into the disc brakes. So on this they're still original. The pads obviously have been replaced periodically. It's got the hydropneumatic suspension system that operates gives it the superb ride and comfort, and also that operates the braking system as well on the vehicle. If you want to have a look inside the vehicle.
What a beautiful interior, mate.
Again, it is the original material, although it's not the original interior. I tried to conserve the original interior, but eventually it beat me. Last year, all this section of the driver's seat went up the vacuum cleaner, so that was it. It was a question of finding the material. Fortunately, it is available because this particular model was what was known as the GS Class. So that was the top end of the range at that time, and also it meant that the material was used in the Citroen DS, and obviously there's a lot more of those around, and so the DS people still make the material, or have it made by a company in Holland. So I managed to get the exact material and reupholster. So yeah, even though I say so myself, it does look quite smart.
Oh yes, it certainly does. And I believe the fellow viewers, Rangers, who's currently watching this video, will agree with you. And if you're looking for anything to do with model trains regarding that, look up Lord and Butler and you will see this gentleman and he will look after you.
Yeah, try to.
Morning everyone. You're at Hanley Farm this morning, and the reason for the video is it's a call out for volunteers. We desperately need more help. Now, we only do something in the region of 6 to 7 meets a year, if that. It's all subject to the weather. So if you can help out at any weekend or any Sunday that we have the meets, we'd be grateful. We cannot run these events without help. At the moment, we've got somewhere in the region of 7 marshals, but we should be running on about 12. So if you can help us in any way, please message me on Facebook. I'm on there all the time, but it's like I said, the marshals we've got are all volunteers like you who give up a few hours once a month to run this event, but we cannot run them without you. Also, if you're down in Devon, Terry could do with some more help down that way. But Chepstow, we are desperate, especially with the bank holiday coming up. We need more marshals on board. So if you can help us in any way, please message me.
Made up, and they sort of fabricated all the panels myself. And that's the A-post again. And there's the back arch I cut out.
Whoa! You've done a absolutely amazing job here.
Yeah, A-post passenger side. Look. Fabricated my own bits. The bits again, like I said. Oh, that's a smaller end of the sail. Chopped it out, and there's a new sail I made up at the end.
Oh yeah.
made it up. That. Then the passenger wing, I chopped the end of the wing off. Yeah.
Don't worry, I got you.
And then that's where I cut it out. That. Front cross member, made that myself. I got loads of it. Oh, that's that wing section again. That's the top of that wing section before I cut it out. Front cross member. Which way that they got? Oh, like that. That's under the radiator. Oh, that's the same thing again. And that's more. Well, it ain't more or less it, but.
Well, it's a beautiful car.
But I have got the upholstery. Done all the upholstery myself as well.
Whoa, that's clever.
Done the Recaros. All done in-house. Yeah. And that's back to a back arch again.
Did you paint the car yourself?
And I painted it myself. Yeah. It's all done in-house. Everything I've done myself.
Whoa.
Yeah. So we've done absolutely everything.
It's incredible.
Oh,
done.
There's before and after in it. Oh, that was upside down again, but that's damn, isn't it?
Whoa. You can see she was in a pretty bad state.
Yeah, it was basically you're going for scrap. And I said, no, don't do that. Oh, they'd be going the wrong way, you know. Oh yeah. That's underneath.
Absolutely amazing.
Made up my own spit, what they call it.
Right, fellow rangers, normal part of the Hanley Farm car meet videos. Which 5 cars would I take home with me today? That's it for now, fellow inchers. Join me next time at Hanley Farm, where we see loads of more interesting cars. And if you have really liked today's video, please consider putting a like on it, as that really is appreciated. And if it is your first video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Anyway, till next time, my fellow inchers, Lone Ranger signing out.